Hello. Today we will discuss about the mass transfer coefficients. The mass transfer coefficient, we know that the mass transfer per unit area per unit time is directly proportional to the driving force. This is based upon the first law, and then the rate of mass transfer is directly proportional to the concentration gradient or driving force, and again it's directly proportional to the area contact between the faces. So in case of mass transfer, the driving force is the concentration gradient or concentration difference. For binary solution, the mass transfer flux in case of steady state molecular diffusion in fluid under stagnant and laminar flow condition is defined as N equal to Na upon Na plus Nb dAbC over Z ln Na upon Na plus Nb minus Ca2 upon C upon Na upon Na plus Nb minus Ca1 Cac. So, at the moment of the bulk fluid particle in the turbulent condition is not yet thoroughly understood. So, specifically for gases, it is fairly well known as molecular diffusion since it is described in terms of kinetic theory. So, we are approximating the diffusivity in the gases as a molecular diffusion. So, in that case, the rate of mass transfer from the interface to the turbulent zone is the same manner can be useful for the molecular diffusion. Thus, the term dAbC over Z of the above equation is replaced by some factor F, which is a characteristic molecular diffusion. So, when we replace this quantity by F, then we can rewrite this equation as Na equal to Na upon Na plus Nb F ln Na upon Na plus Nb minus Ca2 upon C upon Na upon Na plus Nb minus Ca1 upon C. Or we can say at phase bound. Imagine we are interested in the transfer of mass from some interface into a well mixed solution. We expect that amount transferred is proportional to the concentration difference and the interfacial area. So, Na can be written as Na equal to K into Ci minus Ca, where K can be written as Na upon Cai minus Ca equal to Na upon delta Ca. So, the fluid includes both convection as well as diffusion in this type of analysis, where Na is the flux of the interface, Kc is mass transfer coefficient, Cai concentration at interface, Ca concentration at bulk of the solution. So, Kc equal to Na upon delta Ca, that is equal to the molar flux upon concentration driving force. So, the concentration C is defined is number of ways and standard have not been established. We have variety of mass transfer coefficient on each situation. So, if we draw a plot in between the distance from the interface and the bulk concentration, so at some equilibrium value, when you plot it, then it goes like to the here. So, initially the system is at here. So, this difference from here to here is termed as the concentration driving force at the interface, where Na equal to flux at interface, Kg, Kl, Kc, Kx, Ky is the mass transfer coefficient, Xai, Yai the concentration mass mole fractions, Pi the concentration partial pressure. I represent for different level 1, 2 and 3. So, mass transfer in liquid phase Na equal to Kx Xa1 minus Xa2 equal to Kl Ca1 minus Ca2. In case of gas phase, the Kx will be replaced by Kg or Kc. In that case, the XA1 is replaced by the PA1 and the concentration CAI is also written in terms of mole fraction as a YAI. So, relationship between the various definition of the concentration in the multi-component system. So, it is summarized here where the mass transfer fraction is omega, mole fraction is XA, partial density rho A, molar density Ca, partial pressure Pa. So, here this is the mass fraction, this is the mole fraction, this is the partial density term, molar density term and partial density term, and this is for the mixture definition. So, here the various mass transfer coefficients are summarized here with their unit, with their definition and driving force. So, taking one by one, considering Ky is the mass transfer coefficient in terms of kilomole per meter square per second. The definition is Na equal to Ky Ys minus Y infinity, where change in Y, and this is the mole fraction in case of gases, is termed as driving force. If we take as a delta P is driving force, in that case it will be represented by kg, where the unit will be the kilomole per meter square per second per kilopascal. So, if the driving force will be mole ratio, in that case it is represented by the small k and capital Y, and the unit for this kilomole per meter square per second. And in case of simple weight fraction, in case of this k, so it is defined as a kg per second, and this is the expression for it. And in case of H, in case of absolute humidity, in this case it is termed as kH. Similar for the liquid, so KL for liquid in terms of concentration differences, in terms of mole fraction it will be Kx, in terms of mole ratio it will be the small k, capital X, in case of weight fraction it will be the K. So, the relation between mass transfer coefficients for gas phase, so you can see Ca, we know that concentration Ca equal to Y into rho m, and we also know that Ky equal to J upon delta Y. This is the flux, this is the concentration gradient, and this is the coefficient. So, putting the value of YAI in terms of Ca into rho m, that is the Cai upon rho m minus Ca upon rho m, by taking out this common value, this rho m equal into J upon Ca minus Ca, and this term is termed as Kc. So, Ky is equal to rho m multiplied by the Kc, or this Kc, if you convert this rho m and by using the ideal gas law, then it will be written as P upon RT. In that case, the Ky will be the Kc multiplied by P upon RT. For liquid phase, the C is defined as Xc into rho m, and similar for the gas phase, Kx is defined as J upon Xi minus Xa, that is equal to the J upon Cai upon rho m minus C upon rho m, again that is equal to the rho m into J upon Ci minus Ca. So, this Kx can be written as rho m into Kc, where rho m can be replaced by rho x upon m bar. So, Kx equal to the Kc rho x upon m bar. So, different type of mass transfer coefficients are listed in this table, where this is for gas phase mass transfer, this is for liquid phase mass transfer, and this provides the conversion. And in this column, the mass transfer coefficients for the diffusion of A through non-diffusion B, and this side the equivalent counter diffusion of A into B, and this is the unit of mass transfer coefficient. So, taking case by case, so here kg into Pa1 minus Pa2. In that case, the mass transfer coefficient defined as kg equal to dAp AB P upon RT delta PBM. So where if this case is the counter diffusion, in that case it is written as kg dash, that is equal to dAb over delta RT, and here kg is converted into kg dash, and the unit for this mole per unit time per unit area and delta P. Similar for in terms of mole fractions, in terms of concentration, and these are the individual definitions in terms of kg, ky and kc. Similar for liquid phase, and here is the conversion for in case of gases, kg RT equal to RT upon Pky equal to Kc, where Kl equal to Kx upon C average. Similar case of counter diffusion, Kc equal to Kg dash into RT equal to the RT upon P. Taken an example, so the mutual relationship between the mass transfer coefficient K, Kh, Kc, Ky and Kg. So from the definition of mass transfer coefficients, we know that N equal to rho into K Ws minus W infinity equal to Kh equal to H minus H infinity. So this is in terms of humidity, in terms of weight fraction. So Na upon M equal to Na star Kc into Cs upon C minus C infinity, and Ky equal to this and this. So this is the equation 1, this is the equation 2, or you can say the equation A and equation B. So in equation C, H can be written as omega upon 1 minus omega, C equal to P upon RT, capital Y equal to P upon P, and this can be written as by this way. So N is the mass flux, C is the molar density, H is the absolute humidity, M is the molecular weight, partial pressure, mole fraction. Okay. So substituting this equation into equation A or B, we obtain the following equation: K equal to Kh upon this much, Ky equal to this much and this much. So you can see Ky is related with the Kg multiplied by the P, as well as it's multiplied by the P upon RT into Kc. So come to the overall mass transfer coefficient. So consider here, if this is the liquid phase, this is the gas phase, this is the thickness of the system. So when you move from here to here, so the liquid phase concentration will here to reduce from X infinity to the Xs. So this is the liquid phase concentration driving force here. So again, from here to here, this is the phase equilibrium between the Xs and Ys. After that, it will go in this, it will follow this particular path. In this case, gas phase concentration driving force, and in that case, it will achieve Y infinity. So the Xs is less than X infinity, Ys is less than Xx, and Y infinity is less than Ys. So this is liquid phase, this is gas phase. So the concentration profile near the gas liquid interface and overall mass transfer coefficient are explained here. So based upon this, the flux Na star equilibrium flux, that is equal to Ky by infinity minus Ys, K equal to this much and this much. That's coming similar from here. Of magnitude of mass transfer coefficient and film thickness. So the order of magnitude of the mass transfer coefficient and film thickness for the typical gas liquid separation equipments are 10 to the power minus 2 for the mass transfer coefficient, and the liquid phase for mass transfer coefficient equal to 10 to the power minus 5 meter per second. In this case, the film thickness is the almost 1 millimeter, and in this case, the film thickness equal to delta equal to 0.1 mm. So once these values are noted, it is rather easy to determine the order of magnitude of other type of mass transfer coefficient. So if we know the mass transfer coefficient in terms of Kc, in that case we are able to calculate the order of magnitude of the Kg. So if you can see here, the Kc having the order of minus 2 by putting the standard value of this much, and here this is the order of 10 to the power minus 4. So can say the unit matters. For liquid phase mass transfer in a dilute aqueous solution, we can calculate Kx equal to KL rho upon M average and this much, where Kx will be this much, and liquid phase diffusivity of common solute D is proportional to 10⁻⁹ meter square per second. Then liquid film thickness delta is approximately equal to the D by KL, that is equal to 0.1 millimeter or 10⁻⁴. MSLS group in mass transfer are Reynolds number, Smith number, Sherwood number, Stanton number, Paglet number, Coleman factor, Grashof number, Lewis number. So, Reynolds number will provide the fluidity of the nature or the influence of inertia or viscous forces. Smith number will provide the ratio of diffusivity in case momentum diffusivity upon molecular diffusivity. Sherwood number is the dimensionless mass transfer coefficient. Stanton number is the combination of Sherwood number, Reynolds number and Smith number, and the Paglet number is the multiplication of Reynolds number and Smith number. So this is the flux due to the bulk flow of the medium divided by the flux across a layer of thickness L, and the Coleman factor JD for diffusion can be written as Stanton number into Smith number, and the Stanton number is the total combination of Sherwood, Reynolds and Smith number, and the other one more number is the Grashof number, and this number is provided for the natural convection, and the Lewis number, that is the Smith number divided by the Prandtl number. And there are some analogy between the mass transfer as well as the heat transfer. So for Reynolds number it will be the same. The Smith number is replaced by the Prandtl number. Sherwood number is replaced by the Nusselt number. Stanton number STM replaced by the Stanton number for heat transfer. Paglet number M is replaced by the Paglet number for heat transfer. Coleman factor JD for mass transfer is replaced by the JH for heat transfer, and the value of Grashof number is the same. So the mass transfer resistance, so the inverse of the mass transfer coefficient is termed as resistance to the mass transfer or mass transfer resistance. You can see in this diagram the component A is diffusing from gas phase to the liquid phase, where there is the gas phase bulk phase, here is the nearby boundary layers or at the interface, and again here the interface, and this is for the bulk phase. So from here to here the maximum pressure is PA and the concentration is CA, and at this position with the distance of ZG and it's having the diffusivity DABG will reduce to the concentration CAI, and it's further reduced here PAI, and finally it's the CA. So the molecular mass transfer resistance RD equal to L upon DAB. The convective mass transfer resistance in the gas phase RG equal to 1 upon Kg. The convective mass transfer resistance in the liquid phase RL equal to 1 upon. So thank you for today, and we will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.